Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to change your hardware ID. This is a technical process, but I'll make it easy to understand and follow. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about what hardware IDs are. Hardware IDs are unique identifiers that Windows uses to recognize the hardware installed on your computer. These IDs help with driver installation and system configurations. Changing these IDs can sometimes resolve hardware conflicts or other system issues. It is also worth mentioning that altering hardware IDs can violate certain terms of use for some software or services, so proceed with caution. First, you need to access the Registry editor. To do this, click on the Start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type Registry Editor. Once you see it in the search results, you will need to run it with administrator privileges. To do this, right-click on the Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. When the Registry Editor opens, you will see a menu on the left side. Look for HKey_local_machine and click on it to expand the list. Next, scroll down and find the Software folder. Click on it to expand the subfolders inside. Now, within the Software folder, look for a folder named Microsoft. Once you find it, expand it and scroll through until you see a folder labeled Cryptography. Click on that folder. Inside the Cryptography folder, you'll see an entry labeled Machine GUID. This Machine GUID is your hardware ID. If you want to reset it or change it, this is where the process begins. To create a new hardware ID, you need a unique GUID. To generate one, open your browser and search for GUID Generator. The first result you see is usually reliable, but make sure to select a trusted website. Click on the link to the GUID Generator tool. Once you're on the GUID Generator page, look for an option to generate a new GUID or UUID. Click on the Generate button. The tool will create a unique identifier for you. Copy the newly generated guide to your clipboard. Now go back to the Registry Editor and double-click on Machine Guide. A small window will appear where you can edit the value. Delete the current value and paste the new guide that you just generated. Click OK to save the changes. After completing this, your system will now have a new hardware ID. After doing all of this, you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you will now have a new hardware ID.